The most historic flood in South Carolina history.
Thousands of homes and businesses across our state are filled with water.
Innocent lives have been lost.
Millions of dollars in devastation.
We here at the Academy of Career Excellence want to help.
We are asking you to donate items such as water, clothing, or anything non-perishable here at our school. Please, no monetary donations.
Our location is at 80 Low Country Drive, Ridgeland, South Carolina, 29936.
Please let's help our fellow South Carolinians get their lives back.